In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom locations inside of your weather app on an iPhone, how to quickly switch between them, and then finally how to remove one. To get started, open the weather app. By default, the first screen that you're going to see is your current location. This is fine if you want to know what the weather looks like now and in the future of where you're at. But if you're planning on traveling or if you're curious of how everything looks in another area, then we need to add some more locations. On the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see the menu icon. Choose that. This will then show you a list of all the different cities and locations that you have saved in your weather app. Using the search bar at the top of the screen, search for the location that you want to add. Choose the location, and then you'll see the current weather there. Now at the top right, select Add. It'll then add the location to your list. If you have a lot of locations like this, you can quickly sort them in the order that you want by pressing and holding on the city, and when it pops up, dragging it to the spot that you'd like. When you're done, tap the location that you want to view. Now when you open the weather app, it'll be saved and available. To quickly switch between the locations that you've added, just swipe to the left or right, and you can see them in the order that you have in the saved locations list. And finally, if you no longer want to have a location saved in your weather app, just tap on the menu icon down here again to get back to your list, and swipe to the left on the one that you want to remove. When you do, you'll see the trash can, where you can then choose that and it'll be removed from your saved weather locations list. When you're finished editing, again, just tap the location that you want to view or close the app. And that's how you add, sort, and remove locations from the weather app on your iPhone.